In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a PDF into multiple PDFs using Adobe Acrobat's older interface. Splitting PDFs can be incredibly useful when you need to distribute specific sections of a document or simply want more manageable sized files. We're going to walk through this process step by step, so even if you're not familiar with Adobe Acrobat, you'll be able to follow along. First, you'll need to switch to the older interface if you're using a newer version of Adobe Acrobat. To do this, find the menu located at the top left corner of your screen, click on it, and then select the option that says Disable New Acrobat. Once you do this, a dialog box will pop up, prompting you to restart Acrobat. Click on Restart. This step is essential because it ensures we're all on the same page, using the same tools throughout the demonstration. Now let's open the PDF file that you wish to split. After your file is open and visible, head over to the Tools menu. You'll see a variety of options here, but we're focusing on selecting Organize Pages. This tool is key to manipulating your PDF properly. Once in the Organize Pages section, look for the Split option and click on it. This is where you'll define how you want your PDF to be divided. Adobe Acrobat gives you several choices. You can split the document by the number of pages, by file size, or even by bookmarks if your document is set up that way. Take a moment to decide the best method for your needs. After you've chosen your splitting criteria, you'll need to look at the output options. This part of the process lets you decide on the destination folder for your new files and how they will be labeled. It's worth spending a minute to ensure your files are saved in a convenient location and named in a way that makes them easy to identify later. When you're satisfied with your selections, go ahead and click Split. Adobe Acrobat will now do the work of generating your separate PDF files based on the preferences you've just set. This process might take a bit of time depending on your file's size and the specifics of your splitting criteria, so don't worry if it seems to pause momentarily. And that's it, you've just split your PDF into multiple parts using Adobe Acrobat's older interface. This tool can save you a lot of time and hassle when working with large documents, making it easier to share exactly what you need with others. Thanks for watching, and happy PDF splitting.